Hola estudiantes! So today we're going to learn about stem changing verbs again. We already learned stem changing verbs last chapter when I was still with you guys. So it's kind of just a repeat of that, but it's slightly different ones. We learned stem changing verbs with E to IE, like querer, to want, where the verb is querer, Q-U-E-R-E-R, and it changes Q-U-E-R to Q-U-I-E-R in all the forms except for nosotros and vosotros. So if you remember that, it was the paper with all the shoes. We're doing basically the same thing again, but with slightly different letters. Okay, so these verbs are all going to change O to UE, like the verb poder, which, if you remember, means to be able or can. Okay, so what it means by it changes is the O is going to change to a UE in all the forms except for nosotros and vosotros. So here's how that looks. Okay. All right. We've got yo, tú, él, ella, usted, nosotros, vosotros, ustedes, ellos, ellas. Okay, so the pod changes to pued, okay, the O to UE, in all the forms except for these two. So it looks like this. Pued, O, remember O is for yo. Pued. Now, ER verb, so it's ES. Puede, okay. Nosotros is going to be podemos. Now, does not stem change because it's not one of the ones that does. Remember, nosotros and vosotros do not stem change. Vosotros will be podéis. Don't forget the accent in your notes, please. Ustedes, ellos, ellas is pueden. Now, again, that's an N. Okay. Again, spelling is kind of the point of these, so I'm afraid spelling counts. So don't forget, like, the D, okay? And the O to UE is like the point, and then the O, ES, E, EMOS, EX, and IS, EN, that's the endings. So I'm afraid I can't really take off points for one spelling error and not take off points for any spelling error. So kind of the point is spelling, so make sure you spell it right. So again, I'm going to show you that O changes to UE here, 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 but not here and here. But it does change again here. So that's how they're called stem changing verbs. And the reason that they're shoes is that if you draw a line or a box around the ones that change, it kind of looks like a shoe. You can draw some laces and a little bow. Okay, I would pause the video here if you need to copy down the forms of the verb poder, because I'm going to erase it and do the next verb.